So hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to download games for PSP emulator. So for that we need to go to the first Play Store and download PP SSPP emulator. Download PP SSPP emulator and install it. There's another version of it, that is, you can see here, PPSSPP Gold. That is a paid version. Okay, so it works in all. So I am download the free version. After downloading this app, download another app called Z Archiver from ZDivs and install it. I have already installed this app. So after this, downloading these two apps, go to Google Chrome and type MU Paradise. Go to the Chrome browser and type MU Paradise and then choose second website. You can see here PSP ISOS MU Paradise. Click on it. Do stepwise as I've shown in the video. Don't do any other step, or don't download any other app as I shown in the video. Do that only. See, there's many games: God of War, Chain of Olympus, God of War, Ghost of Tsushima, Tekken 6, Grand Theft Auto Vice City Stories, Assassin's Creed, Bloodlines, Dragon Ball Z, many more. Okay, so here, go to the, you can see option ROMs and ISOs games. Click on it. ROMs, ISOs and games. ROMs, ISOs and game, and you can see here the games appear. ROMs, ISOs, games, and okay, so and click on Sony PSP IOSO. Okay, then click on Home. Scroll down. And search the game you want. For example, Tekken. Okay, so here it appears. So you can select any game you want. So I want Platypus game. So I have typed the game name, Platypus USA, and search, and it appears Platypus USA ISO. So whichever game you want, you can search here and it appears, and click on it and then scroll down. Here you can see download link. Okay, you can see download link here. So downloading, then click download any game. For any game the process will be same. Here you can see download Platypus USA and it will start downloading. You can see it will start downloading. Okay, so here you can see it will downloading. After complete downloading, you can open it. So it will start downloading. So my download is complete. So after your download is completed, after completed our download file, go to the Z archiver directly. After the download file completes, go to the Z archiver and select on download and scroll down. Here you can see the game which I have downloaded. So my game name is Platypus. So you can see here Platypus USA PSP. Okay, so click on it and click on extract, and you can see a green sign, that green button. Click on it, then it will start extracting, and it is successfully decompressed. Then you can see here the folder is created, Platypus USA PSP. Click on it, then you can see a RAR file. If it is any game, for example Tekken, WWE or God of War or any game, you just have to select games RR file. Click on RR file and then so it is RR file. Click on it and then click again on extract, and then you can see a green button sign. Click on it and it will start extracting. And after extracting, you can see a iOS or ISO file. So then you have to go on file manager or your my files, and you can go on download option, and you can see a Platypus folder, your game folder, and then it is your ISO file. Click on it and move, and you have to move the file, and you can see your device storage PSP folder and then game, and you have to move here, move the file, then it will show one file moved. Then you have to just go on the PSP app and PSP app and Platypus USA and R file. Okay, so you have to go on PSP game and Platypus. Okay, so PSP for the click on start. So I have extracted in the PSP folder in the game, and you can go there PSP folder in the game, and your game has been extracted there. I have selected that and I am start playing. You can see here level 1 is coming. It's very interesting game. So like that way you have to do. So